Hello? Yes, can I speak with Patrick, please? How you... man, listen to me now, man. Oh, you mean say no Patrick not living there? Huh? Look at no, man, no, don't make me... Listen to me. Listen to me. Me why you listen to me? No make me take food come over for in there to you, no, man. At 2 weeks now, me man left you come over there. As a matter of fact, my baby father. Eh? I mean, I hear gunfire him. I want I'm brethren, give me their number, you know. Listen to me now, lady, listen. I don't want in a no farmer argument with you. Don't let me and you have any problem. You see how calmly me call and how calm me I talk to you, miss. Eh? Me no know you, but me have respect for you, you know, miss. Hmm? Put him on the phone. Me say if you put him, listen to me now, make me get bringle. Put him on the phone. Huh? Oh, you mean your husband? 2 weeks now, the man left here from Jamaica and Ghana foreign, and you tell me say he married? I me never know about it. Listen to me now. Long story short, just tell him say the 3 children them when him left out here, in dire need of help. And now make me get immigration to send him back here. Yeah, what me I tell you? Yeah, I'm out of order.